Hey everyone, welcome to Science. Today's lesson focuses on the sun's impact on weather and the three main categories of weather: precipitation, wind, and the water cycle. So for a closer look, let's head outside. Let's start with topic 1, which is temperature. As you know, the sun warms the earth at different amounts in different places. So closer to the equator, you get more direct sunlight than you would at the North and South Pole. This creates different temperatures and different temperature regions around the globe. Now, different temperature regions means that you get different weather depending on the type of temperature that's there. Now, let's look at our next topic, which is water. So, as you know, the sun has direct influence on the water cycle. And the water cycle creates evaporation. Water evaporates and that creates clouds, which then go on to make rain, as we've been having for the last few days. That weather is driven by high pressure and low pressure, which is all generated by the sun creating these systems. And then it's pushed around by wind, which is our last topic. So we've already covered the wind, so I'll keep this brief. You know that the sun is heating different parts of the earth in different ways, especially more closer to the equator. So the air that's closer to the equator rises as it's warm and heads to cooler areas, and air from cooler areas fills in to close that gap, and that creates that convection current of air, which is wind. And that convection current of air pushes around these weather systems, which create weather and the wind and clouds that I'm seeing now. Now, I'll be honest with you. The shows you guys usually watch about science have a lot more than I do. It's just me and a camera right now. And I'm gonna do my best to provide more content and more learning, but be flexible because, again, it's just me and a camera and a lot of really, really curious neighbors about what I'm doing. So try your best. Okay, he's staring. I'm gonna go ahead and go now. Sorry. Guess we'll be back tomorrow.